This is Delta V3, and this is my devlog for my 2D platformer, Snatch'em. Snatch'em is a 2D Kirby-inspired platformer where you go around stealing enemies' weapons and use them. Starting off on screen, you can see the character controller. All the characters in my game are 3D models. You can see here. And they're made 2D via a sub-viewport. For the player character, all of the animations and what is visible is managed via resources. You can see an example of the standard resource here. Okay. And here's an example of one of the enemies. In this case, it's not visible, but I can make it visible for a moment. There it is, right there. Here's one of the enemies. Basically, all the enemies are programmed similarly. They are invisible until this on-screen notifier basically says they're on screen, and once they're off screen, this timer starts, and if they're off screen when it times out, they disappear. The enemy behavior is controlled by this timer here. In this case, let me scroll down. It's basically on a random choice. They can either jump, in this case, shoot, or just continue walking. And if you are interested in the other enemies, you can check out the work in progress videos I've made in the past. The card will be in the top right corner. And now I'll demonstrate this mock-up of a main menu I made. And you can see right here the buttons on screen. Those are made as a child of the camera 3D, and they're basically placed directly in front of the camera. Each of those has, as a child, a sprite 3D, which is basically the text in this sub-viewport right here. Okay, and now I'll go on to demonstrate the overworld level select. You can see here I have it set up so each of these red spots right here on the floor correspond to a location or level you can go to. And let me close this out. And for the final demonstration, to end out the video, I'll be playing through what I have so far for working on the first level of my game. If you have questions, leave them down in the comments. Or if you want to stay updated on this, you can check out my Blue Sky, which will be in the description.